Hello, everybody. Hello, beautiful people.
Hello.
Hello, unicorns.
Hi.
And hello,
I need to
maayong
change my name.
Yes, so true. Wait lang, I'm also renaming other people in the call right now.
Yeah, change my name also.
Yes, I'm
Ito,
changing your
Mother
name.
Unicorn.
Yes,
You wanna be
I
Mother
was about to
Unicorn?
say Mother Unicorn.
Ha?
Sige, Mother Unicorn. I'm gonna change
Pwede
this
ba
to Mother
yun?
Unicorn. Yes, of course.
Mother Unicorn.
Kasi yung ano niya sa Asim na group o naka-unicorn outfit yan si Mama Unicorn. Hi,
Yeah.
Mikey!
Did you share it to the, in the
Yes.
ASIM?
Not yet, but I shared it to your Facebook. Wait lang ha. Also, what do you call that? Hannah, what would you like to be called? Or what's your nickname here?
Ano bang nickname ko? Wait, i-chat kita.
Wow.
Wow.
Sige,
Cute.
please.
Wait.
You can just chat me.
Okay. Chat.
Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome to our another Monday Midnight Unicorn Club session with everyone. And yeah, I'm so happy to be here with all of you. And of course, we have our awesome unicorn and unicorn guests. Pero hindi na siya guest ngayon. Regular na siya sa ating show. Not a unicorn. So later, meron tayong costume reveal sa ating unicorn guest but hindi guest who has been a contribution to our Midnight Unicorn Club for the past, sessions for the past calls that we have. So, yeah, by the way, I'm Tina Light Sparkle, and with me are, you can say your name.
Bubbles.
Hello, Bubbles.
Genie Rarity.
Wow. Hello, Genie Rarity.
Ano sa'yo itong name? Nakalimutan po ko.
Zai Silver Moon.
Zai Silver Moon. Ay, dili na ako Zai. Si Silver Moon lang.
Okay, Silver Moon na lang. Sige. Okay, that's it.
Wow, let's vote in.
And of course, we have our...
Patahimikin ang
Hello?
guest, Bet. Surprise, gani ba?
And next?
Yes, Flirty Butterfly.
Oh, there you go.
I love that.
Oh, diba? So awesome ang ating mga nicks ngayon. So the wonderful thing about Midnight Unicorn Club is that you can name or rename yourself every Monday. So yon. Yeah, let's begin and we'll call on our guest who will read for us this evening. O, diba? Pero bago daw siya pumasok, kailangan daw natin kantahin ito. So, Zai,
Yes.
magsimula ka na dyan.
Ano
Sa
kanta
ganitong
yan?
Hindi
Hindi kami
mo na...
Oo. Hey,
Ito, wait lang. I'm
go.
gonna share on the chat.
Namihiya. Flow.
Teka, sabay-sabay naman kayo, please.
Ah, sige.
Man.
Ah, sige. Sabay guys ha. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hey.
Sister go, sister go, sister
Hey,
go,
sister go.
Hala, oy, magalit ang ating mother.
Hello!
Oh my gosh!
Good evening to everyone.
Anong ginawa niyo? Bakit niminurder niyo yung song?
Good evening to everyone. Welcome to our unicorn
You just
show.
murdered the song.
Good evening to our televiewers.
Dapat nag-prepare na
Yay!
tayo ng nung parang pag-intro talaga.
Oh my God, Mama, ginawa mo naman kaming unicorn ito.
Oh,
Pang-harmonize.
diba? Yeah, I'm so happy to be here tonight.
Oh my God. Uy guys, seryoso good ang nagawa na ito.
I'm so happy to be here tonight. Hindi
Hello,
na ako
Jed,
guest.
and hello, Claudia from USA. Hello. Sorry, guys, we're kind of, we're just fooling around right now. Hello.
Yeah. And my unicorn ako. Excuse me.
Hey, Alexis, your party.
I know where is that from? Peace Fest.
Yes.
Hello,
Oh, di ba? Yan. So, this is a very special tonight because mag-read ako ng tarot card
Ay,
for
bakit di ko
you,
kita?
for our televiewers. So, ask any question at sasagutin ni Mother Unicorn. Oh,
All right, Bongga.
Wow.
Mother you. Oh, di ba? Mother you. I have a question po.
Oy, question na kaagad?
Yeah. And as a background, kasi some people find the word tarot, they feel that it's negative. I mean, like, merong certain fear kasi with that word, may negative connotation. So, for starters, how would you describe tarot readings and how can it help the humans and the co-unicorns as
Bongga.
well?
Bongga ang question. Kaagad-agad. Ito naman. Introduction pa nga lang. O sige. Alright. Sige. Tanungin natin yan. Ano yung tarot card? Sige. The tarot card is just a card, no? It's just a card. It's a game card. They call it Tarucci. It's the Italian card. So yan. Okay. So yung mga illustration dito, ginawa ng isang artist na Italian artist, no? So, that time, that was 18 centuries ago, ginagawa siyang laro, baraha, no? So, nung time na yon, pinagbawal ang paglalaro ng mga tarot card, kaya hinuhuli lahat ng mga naglalaro at sinusunog ang mga tarot card. And then, dumating ang time na ginamit ito ng mga spiritual, like high priest, like mga shamans, actually to see ano yung mangyayari next year. Meron bang famine? Meron bang war? Meron bang ano? So, naging divination siya. Ginamit siya ngayon for that matter. That ayaw malaman ng mga tao na yan na there's a power to see through the card. Pinagbawal yan. So, sinabihan ang mga tao na yan ay mala sa demonyo. That's a very negative to do it. You know, these are the tools ng mga Wiccans, ng mga witches, no? So, binigyan lahat ng negative concept and ideas about the tarot card. Doon nagsimula yan. So hanggang ngayon, syempre, bawal yan sa ating mga religious organization to use the tarot card. That's why maraming mga negative at maraming mga stories about tarot card na nakakatakot, no? So ito rin, nagkaroon din siya ng stigma dahil ito ay ginagamit sa paghuhula, no? So, may mga technicalities about the tarot card na dalawa kasi yan, no? If you read it on the meaning of the tarot card, because the tarot card is just the signs and symbol, is the language of your soul, is the language of the spirit. So, syempre, hindi naman natin pwedeng kausapin ng espiritu ng one-on-one or hindi natin pwedeng kausapin ng mga espiritu ng ganito kagaya sa atin, there's a language. So, to know their advice, to know their guidance, to know their affirmation, then we use the tarot card or angel's card para malaman natin ano yung mensahe at messages ng mga spiritual entities para sa atin, no? So this is the tangible tools to know ano yung mga message nila sa atin. So the tarot card, no, pag binasahan kita ng tarot card, meron siyang expiration month. 3 months lang siya. Within 3 months, no? Bakit 3 months? Kasi, no, every quarter, nagbabago ang takbo ng ating buhay. Kaya, sabi nga sa atin, the only person who knows kung sino yung nakakaalam ng future natin, it's only God, wala nang iba, no? So, meaning pag binasahan kita ng tarot card or angel card, yan ay it's only good for 3 months, no? And then we will give choices for the person to move on to his life or to her life after 3 months. Kasi may mga choices tayo, no? Hindi natin pwedeng ikulong sa idea kung ano yung binasa natin na card sa mga taong ito, no? So hindi dapat nating katakutan dahil ang card na ito ay nagbibigay sa atin ng guidance. For example, confused tayo, no? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung desisyon na gagawin natin sa buhay natin. Nakakatulong yung card, no, sa pag-direct ng ating mga desisyon, no? So that's very important. May mga gumagamit ng card na based on the intuition, no? So, depende po sa atin yan kung kanino po tayo lalapit, no? Doon ba sa taong nakakaalam ng interpretasyon ng card or doon sa taong based doon sa intuition, no? So, intuition sometimes, kasi intuition reading card, sometimes may mga biases. Sometimes, no? Pero hindi naman lahat, no? So, again, the card is all about, has a power of suggestion, no? So we have to be careful also on this. Kasi anything that you suggest and you agree, then you become that reading, no? So kailangan medyo careful din tayo, no? Pag nag-read tayo ng card kasi there's a power of suggestion. So pag nag-suggest tayo at nag-agree, then 100% mangyayari talaga yan sa buhay mo. Kaya nagtataka yung iba, wow, galing-galing naman nang nag-read sa akin ng card. Tawag nito, nagkatotoo talaga, ganito, ganyan. Yes, nagkakatotoo yan, hindi dahil dun sa card o hindi dahil sa card reader. Nagkakatotoo yan dahil naniwala ka sa sinuggest ng nagre-read ng card para sa'yo. Alright? So I hope...
Yes.
Naging
Bongga, that's why you're the mother unicorn. O, diba? Anong difficult question? Alam mo yan, Mama. Thank you po.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Is it clear or is there any other question about it?
Yes, I think that explains well for those who are very doubtful about tarot cards. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. My pleasure. Yay. Hi, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mother
watching for
A.
us tonight.
Mother
Yeah?
Unicorn, sorry. Mother U kayo ngayon.
Mother U.
No, gusto nila daw yung unicorn sa forehead mo.
Yeah, yes. Because tonight is a
Mother U
unicorn
ka muna.
night.
Parang Miss U lang.
Buti na lang matin ako ng Peace Fest.
Yes, parang Miss U lang. MU.
Oo, di ba?
Oo nga. Yeah. Kasi meron kang awesome na shirt. Diba? So, thank you so much, Mother U, for that wonderful explanation about the tarot cards, about, because there's a lot of stigma when it comes to that card. And thank you for clearing that up. Because that would be very helpful for tonight and for those who would want a tarot reading for tonight. So how did we get so lucky to have Mother U to give us card readings for the night? And tonight is also the new moon, and it's also the opening of the Lionsgate portal. It opens on July 2020. So maganda din ang number natin ngayon. It's July 20, 2020. So, ayan. So, mag-on na ako ng kasi nag-off si Mama A ng camera. So, yeah. So, it's the new moon. And also, the Mystic Angels and the Sisterhood of the Rose Philippines have opened our altars for tonight until 22nd. We are receiving prayer requests, intentions, and wishes, and we'll place it on our altars for the next 3 nights. So if you have any request, kindly message it, private message it lang, and make sure you request only for yourself, not for other people. So yun lang. And okay, so maybe we would begin with who. Oh, by the way, tama, sorry. Happy birthday to our Happy Bean. It's still time. Happy birthday, Happy Bean.
Happy birthday to
Happy Bean.
you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Diba?
Happy birthday.
So, Happy Bean Day. Happy birthday.
Bubbles will sing. Char.
Sumay.
To you.
Kaya nga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ala, sorry about that. Ayan. So yeah, every day is a celebration. Every day is a birthday. You know, whenever a new day comes, it's always a wonderful, wonderful day. So yon, happy birthday. So mag-type lang daw muna si Happy Bean. What else is possible? How does it get any better than this? Sige. So Mother A, we have sino bang gusto magpa-read first? Who would like to be read?
Or baka meron pang
Who would like to go
Si
first?
birthday girl.
Hindi lang sa
Ako,
pag-read,
more
baka
yun.
may mga tanong kayo na pwede nating i-clarify or meron tayong tanong about esoteric or mysticism. So yon, go ahead guys. We're ready to rock and roll. Diba? Hey sister, go sister. Diba? Oh, diba? Nasaan yung mga
Oh,
unicorn?
tama. If you have mga questions, okay. So, ano ba dito? Wait lang, hindi ko makita kasi mga comments. Hindi nag-update sa akin. Wait. Let's see the comments here. So, si Zai has no mic. So, what do you mean daw by esoteric? Zai is asking.
Okay. So, ito yung mga bagay na...
Mother you?
Yeah. Can you hear me? Woohoo. All right. Sige. So, yung mga esoteric,
Yes,
ito
we can
yung
hear
mga...
you. We can hear you.
Yeah. Ito yung mga bagay na pinag-aaralan natin in terms of, like for example, beyond physical, no? Spiritual. Yan. So like for example, mysticism. Like for example, tawag nito, quantum physics, no? So these are beyond physical. So that's why we call it esoteric. Yay! So what else? Sino babes?
Yes.
Mama you, Mother you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, Jen. Go ahead.
Is there also a best time to have the tarot cards read, or what's the parang in terms of the moon cycle, ano yung parang mas stronger ang sa tarot cards, ang connection?
Okay. Actually, anytime, any day, no? So wala naman yan connection actually kasi when we ask the spirit, no, to guide us, anytime pwede naman yun. Pero kasi yung tradition natin, when you say pag Tuesday, pag Friday, pag full moon, yan, malakas talaga yung energy. But these are just our concepts and belief. But honestly, anytime pwede ka mag-read ng card. Actually, pwede ka nga mag-read sa sarili mo every day. Like for example, you need a guidance for today. You need messages, coming from the spirit. So pwede yon anytime and any day. Yeah.
Okay lang daw guys, everyday magpa-read daw kayo kay mama. lang.
Oo, 'di ba? Pero however, Kaya, di ba sabi nga ni Jen kanina, everyday pwede ka magpa-read sa akin. Yes, pwede. Pero however, kailangan mo rin kasi matuto to empower yourself. Kasi, basically, we have our inner guide, no? We have a personal inner guide. It's very, very important to tap our inner guide. No, inner guide, we call it our higher self, we call it our soul, we call it Holy Spirit. No, whatever it is, but again, it is an inner guide. Very important to listen inner guide. How? How are you going to listen with our inner guide? Go to your very silent moment, be in the present moment, then anytime you can access your inner guide. Yeah?
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Mother
You're
You.
welcome. My pleasure. Okay, so those who's watching tonight, no,
Thank you for answering that.
yeah, write your all
Yeah.
your questions to
Someone
our
wants
comment.
her card to be read. Meron siya, magpa-read daw si Ate Rio Rose. Rio
Wow.
Rose.
Okay. Sige. For Ria Rose. All right. Okay, I have 3 cards for you. All right. Ria Rose, first of all, you have to manage your expectations, no? You may mga expectations ka na it leads you into disappointment. So, medyo i-manage natin yan. And then, you have so much emotional concern right now. This is all about your intuition, no? Meron kang nararamdaman na may mangyayari, no, sa event sa buhay mo, pero do not worry because ito ay isang pagsubok lamang, no? So ang advice ko sa iyo, no, sabi ng card dito that wag masyado tayo mag-expect too much, no, for someone kasi hindi nakasalalay ang happiness or ang joy natin sa ibang tao, no? So kasi baka mamaya ma-disappoint lang tayo. So iwasan natin yung mga expectations. Yan. All right.
Wow, thank you for that, Mother You. Let me see. How about in the group Midnight Unicorn Club verse? Anybody would like their cards read? Oh yeah, we have here Alexis.
Oh, hi,
Alexis
Alexis.
Marfori wants to get a reading.
Wants a reading. All right. Sige. I'll use, kasi guys, no, ang tarot card, hindi lang siya yung traditional card na nakikita natin na may mga ganitong card. There's so many versions of tarot card. We have illuminated tarot card, we have angel tarot card, we have traditional tarot card. Marami. We have shadow escape tarot card, no, so marami. So tonight, I have your traditional golden tarot card and your illuminated tarot card, you know, just to give you a guidance and affirmation. Okay? So for Alex, I'll spread card for you. Okay. All right. Alexis, I use illuminated tarot card for you. Ang sabi niya dito, you have upcoming project. I don't know kung anong project na yan. No? Ito ay magbibigay ng financial support para sa'yo. So tuloy mo lang kung anong pinaplano mong project for this month or for the next 3 months. No? The answer is yes. Go for it. All right. Thank you, Alex.
Wow, lovely reading. Thank you for that, Mother You. And now
Yes.
we have a question from one of our viewers. Question po, is there life after death?
Okay. First of all, we
Is
have
there
to
life after death?
okay. First of all, we need to understand that again, we are a life force, meaning we are a life force having a human physical experience, no? So lahat ng buhay sa mundong ito, like plants, like animals, lahat ng nagbabibrate sa mundong ito, there is a life force, no? So ang life force, no, yung nakikita mong life force sa sa isang halaman at ang life force mo ay iisa lang. Ang buhay ng kalabaw, na buhay siya, at ang buhay mo, iisa lang. Yun nga lang, ang life force, naging kalabaw ang forms, naging halaman ang forms. Ikaw, naging form ka ng life force na yan. So pag namatay yung physical body, yes, ikaw ay life force, ikaw buhay pa rin. Pero wala na yung kwento at drama sa buhay mo, hindi mo na yan maaalala kasi wala ka ng forms, no? So, pag umalis ang life force sa katawan mo sa form na ito, yes, buhay pa rin 'yon. Yan. Okay? So, baka naman ang ibig mo sabihin kasi baka naman there's a life kagaya ng life na to after death. Wala na po. Wala na. Tapos na yung kwento mo. Pag natsugi ka, tapos na yung kwento mo. Oo, tapos na yung drama mo sa buhay. Ikaw ay isang espiritu or life force. Yan. Okay? Yan. That's a very simple explanation.
Thank you for explaining it so simply, Mother You. Next, we
Yes.
have magpaparead naman ito. This is Yontor or si Janelle.
Okay.
Janelle.
Chanel, alam kong may question ikaw. Kaya ang gagamitin kong card sa'yo ay Angel Answer Card. Okay? So habang nagsha-shuffle ako, shuffle, shuffle. And I'll get one card for you. Okay, ang card mo, ang sabi niya ay reconsider. Ibig sabihin yan, kung meron ka mga desisyon na gagawin sa araw na ito or sa week na ito, wag mo muna ituloy. Try to reconsider it again. Baka naman meron pang better. Or sabi nga ng Access Consciousness, is there any better than this? Baka naman mas may maganda pang pwedeng gawin. So you need to reconsider your decision. Yay!
Wow, thank you for that. And someone from the panel, Miss Butterfly card red.
Choppy, choppy.
Si Hannah.
Si
Yes.
Hannah Alnoaimi po.
Yes! Si Flirty Butterfly for this
Yes,
night.
hi, Flirty Butterfly. In the panel. Go ahead.
Hi!
Mm-mm.
Yes, ako ang sunod ni Janelle, please. For the tarot.
Okay. So magpa-tarot ikaw, anak. Sige. Do you have any concern so that we can be more specific?
Wala naman.
Okay.
Wala, in
Wala
general
ka
lang.
concern. Sige. So, in general, in short. Okay. There you go. Okay. All right. Flirty Butterfly, ang tanong ko, meron ka bang, are you working with somebody who is older than you right now?
Right now, wala naman.
Okay.
So far, yeah, even my clients are the same age as I am.
Okay. Sige. Kasi ang sabi niya dito, you might work for somebody who's older than you, but however, you have to see it on the other perspective. on the other pers- on the other perspective. So titignan mo siya ng hindi siya 'yon, no? Titignan mo siya on the eyes of love, no? On the eyes of
Ay.
positivity, no? Marami kang project sa kanya. Ah, marami kang project sa kanya na pwedeng yung gawin dalawa as a partnership. No? Baka naman parating pa to within 3 months. Just let me know, my dear.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ay, ang bongga, parang ang gandang i-chismis yan. Charot lang.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mother Yu. Next, thank you so much for that, Mother Yu. Next, we have Miss May Fernandez.
Oh, hi May! My friendship in Bacolod. Ayan. Sige. May, feeling ko meron kang tanong na gustong may sagot sa iyong mga katanungan. So, I'm spreading a card for you, the angel answer, and ayan, friend. Huwag ka na mag-alinlangan pa. Ang sabi niya dito is take action. Go. Gawin mo na ang dapat gawin. Huwag mo na masyado pang pag-isipan yan. Dapat mag-take action na kaagad. Bukas na bukas din. Oh, di ba? So yan ang para sa'yo. Friendship.
Thank you for that, Mother Yu. Lovely reading for Miss May. Next up, we have Mr. Paul Vid.
Oh, siya ay ba Pilipino?
Yes, Filipino.
Okay, sige. Okay, I'll shuffle a tarot card for you and get 3 cards for you.
This is for Paul Vid.
Yes, for Paul. Okay, Paul. Wow! Paul, this is a celebration. Hindi ko alam kung anniversary ito. Hindi ko alam kung sasagutin ka ng girlfriend ng nililigawan mo or kung meron ka mang asawa. I don't know. This is about celebration and it is a good news, okay, for you. And hindi ko rin alam kung ito ba ay promotion, but this is something to do with your career. There's a good news no, na darating sa iyong buhay and you will celebrate it within 3 months. Ayan. Okay? So, yan.
Wow, the stars are lining up. The cards are lining up for Mr. Paul. Awesome reading. Next, we have Miss Mary Chris Zosa.
Okay, Mary Chris. Okay. Okay. Angel answer ang sabi ng iyong soul. So, I'll make bunot a card for you. Alright. Meron kayatang inaasahan sa mga weeks na ito. Pero ang sabi ng angel answer, sabi niya, malapit na. In the near future. Okay. Magantay lang ng konti. Patience. Kailangan natin ng patience. Magantay lang ng konti. Pero siguradong dadating ito. Okay.
Wow, lovely reading. You're on a roll, Mother Yu. Next, we have Miss Jabez about love naman sa kanya.
O, Jabez. Sige. Ha? Ang love na yan. Ang love na yan ay tatanungin natin sa angel card answer. Jabez, ang sabi niya, kung sino man yan, let go mo muna. Yan. Siguro, anak, hindi pa dumadating ang bago dahil hindi pa tayo nakakapag-let go. So, sabi ni Angel, let go muna. Okay? Para merong space for a new one to come. Okay. So, yan yung answer.
Wow. Awesome reading. Awesome job, best. Next, we have
Straightforward.
Oo nga, parang ganun lang. Wala na masyadong...
Oo.
So, yes, thank you for that, Mother Yu. Next, we have Miss Rhea Yap, career and studies naman ang sa kanya.
Okay. Sige. So, I'll spread a tarot card for you. Okay. All right. Sige. Career-wise, take a deep breath, no? Sabi kasi dito, baka naman kailangan mo i-consider ang other option for your career, no? Kasi feeling ko you have so much difficulty right now with your current career, no? So, in the infinite possibility, you can explore and you can see other options na pwedeng mong gawin, no? And this will make a better opportunity for you. Yan. Do not be afraid, no? Do not be afraid. Change come, no? Nagbabago yung ating buhay. Kasama na yung career doon, no? So, your card is more on a career. So, yan yung sabi ng card sa'yo. Yay!
Wow. Wonderful. Hello, Aterea. Hello, Aterea. So, next we have Miss Angelica Yabes. Yabes.
Okay. Sige. Angel, answer para daw sa'yo. The answer is yes. Whatever it is yes. There are, yes. Oh. Okay. So, meaning, ano siya, favorable para sa'yo.
Is that for career and love, Mama A, for her?
For her, kung love man yan, may nangliligaw sa kanya, the answer is yes. Kung career man yan, nag-a-apply siya kung saan, or is there any a better future for the career? The answer is yes.
Wow. Thank you for that, Mama A. Thank you. Next, we have for Darlene. Business daw sa kanya.
Oh my God! Si Darlene, my love. Wait lang, Darl. Sige. I'll read for your illuminated card. Yes. Okay. Darl, ang career, if this is a Tina girl, ano nga ba ulit yung tanong ni Darlene? Bubbles?
Business daw.
Business. Okay. Ang business, Darl, it's not about goods. This is about coaching. This is about training. This is about empowerment. So, hindi siya retail hindi sa merchandise. It's more on helping other people in terms of counseling, in terms of coaching, in terms of training, in terms of empowerment. Ayan, yung card. Yes.
Wow.
Wow, thank you.
Happy ka? Bubble girls, happy ka? Are you happy?
Yes. Actually, wala ako nagpa-read. Nag-reply ko sa kay Aisha, but si Ate still na misunderstand niya. So, maybe it's for me.
Yes, it's for you.
So, yeah.
That's really for you.
What else is possible? How does it
You were in the lineup because I thought you were talking about, pa-read ka.
Yeah.
Guys,
Wow,
so
how does it get any better than this?
Divine intervention.
Yes.
Yes. What a
Thank you
lovely,
po.
lovely
You're
evening.
welcome. My pleasure. Guys, hindi lang sa read. You can ask also other questions,
Yes. Okay, everybody, those who are watching us right now, you can also type in your questions if you have any specific questions in your life, love, career, and whatever you're going through right now. Any of us can also support you. But for now, meron ka pang mga piled up request here. Miss Jen Ramirez, si Ate Be, would like a reading for business naman sa kanya. And sabi, ang comment niya naman, wow, may turban ka pa dyan. Diba? So you have a turban daw. Kaloka ang
Jen!
turban mo. Kaloka.
It's my pleasure. Wait lang. Magbalasa muna ako. I'll use illuminated card for you. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, and 3. Very nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Jen, sabi ng card, huwag ka raw masyado mag-worry about your business. Okay. It will only take time to jumpstart. Sabi ng card, titignan mo ang other product in terms of travel, hindi lang yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Baka may mga iba pang opportunity in terms of traveling or in terms of travel agent or in terms of tourism. No? Ang sabi ng card, do not worry. Do not worry. Kasi it will really take time. Patience lang talaga, Zen. Matatapos na ito. Huwag daw kayong mag-alala. Tignan mo ha. Eliminated card number 8. The number 8 means abundance. Okay. Itong number 9 kasi nag-indicate na nag-worry ka. Ang sabi niya, kasi tignan mo ha. Okay, this card is about a worry card, but sabi niya, do not worry. This is an intuition card. Okay? But however, ang number 8 kasi, nag-assure siya na abundance pa rin. Oo. At ang number 8, nagsasabi na titignan mo ang ibang opportunity in terms of your business. Okay, baka meron pa. Yun nga sabi natin, di ba? In the infinite possibility. No? In the infinite possibility, there is. Meron pang ibang opportunity to explore. Yeah. Thank you, Jen.
Wow. Don't worry. Be happy. Ayan.
How does it get any better, Ate Be?
Yeah.
So true. What else is possible?
Ang ganda ng card kasi even though there's a worry card, sinasagot siya ng isa pang card na do not worry. Yan ang pinakamaganda sa card, napakabalanse ng card. No? And by the way, it is accurate. It's 100%. I've been reading it since, 5 years na. But, grabe ang card. Binibigyan ka talaga ng assurance.
Wow. So everybody, actually, when you are reading them, di ko lang nababasa yung mga replies, but they all said thank you and wow, just to give you an acknowledgement, Mother You, that you're doing an awesome reading for all of them. They're acknowledging you and they're saying thank you. And for Ate Be, she's saying, yes, thank you for the affirmation na feel ko din I'm a bit worried because of financial operational expense. And that number is my number. So thank you, Be. I will not worry. Ayun. So all are saying wow for all their readings and thank you. What else is possible? Yeah. So we have, of course, another reading for Happy Bean here, Vanene.
Happy Bean, happy birthday reading. Ang sabi ng iyong soul ay Angel Answer Card. Ang tanong mo kasi ngayon sa birthday mo, what is next? What else is possible for you? Yan. Ang sabi ng card, no need to worry. No need to worry. Happy Bean. Ayan ha. That's the word.
Yay! Thank you.
Oh, di ba? Oh, no need to worry again. Huwag masyadong mag-worry. Okay. Alam mo guys, um, the only way actually is just to trust the universe. Okay. The reason why kung bakit tinatawag universe, because when you say uni, it's a unison. It's the harmonic, the harmonious, you know. When you say verse, it's a vibration. So meaning the universe is just like an orchestra. You know, we're using different kinds of musical instrument, but when they play the whole orchestra, you know, we have one unison verses. We have one vibration. It's vibrating. No, that's why in A Course in Miracle we also have a song of prayer. So if you have time to read the song of prayer of A Course in Miracle, it's so beautiful. No, so isa yan sa mga. It's just a very few pages that you can read about how to pray, and yeah, our prayer is a gift to God. Yay.
Wow, thank you for that, Mother You, for that reading.
Oo, parang gusto ko yun. Mother you. Mother, ikaw
Diba,
yun.
parang miss you lang. Kasi pa.
Yeah.
Thank you for the explanation of the universe, you know, the Miss Universe. Ikaw
Oh,
ngayon ang
yeah.
Mother You. So, hindi Miss You, Mother You. Yun siya. So, thank you for that. Thank you. And here's another one from, nakabaliktad yung name niya. So, Liriaj Mahusay, I think, is apelyido, but Jairil Mahusay, I think. So, business and love naman yung para sa kanya.
Okay. Ang sabi ng soul mo is traditional tarot card. Ayan. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay, this is very good. Okay. Sabi niya, para daw, sabi ng card, it's your card, sorry. Sa business mo, okay, sa business mo, sabi niya, maybe you can have a project of a social, CSR ang tawag namin yun eh. Meaning, siguro you need to have feeding program or project in terms of tawag nito, pagbibigay ng mga donations, no? And yan ang magsisimula ng bago. This is a pentacle, no? This is a pentacle. Number 1, pentacles. Yan. It's a pentacle, no? Yan ang magbibigay ng iyong abundance na pagkita sa hindi ko lang kasi alam kung meron ka ng negosyo ha or magninegosyo ka pa lang. Oo, let's be clear and let's be specific about that. Kasi ang sabi niya dito, kung meron ka ng negosyo, ang pinakamagandang project dito ay to give tawag nito, feeding program to the less fortunate children, no? So yan ang magbibigay ng buhay sa negosyo mo. Pero kung magninegosyo ka pa lang, no? Think something that it will social relevance na business. Yan. Sa love life, oo, I think kailangan mong, kasi ito siya. Yan, no? Kailangan mo muna pag-isipan or kailangan mo muna mag-contemplate regarding your relationship, you know, ito ba ay healing para sa sarili mo, no? Or kailangan ka mag-forgive muna or baka hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. So you have to go back to yourself and contemplate about relationship. Thank you.
Wow, lovely. Thank you for that comprehensive reading. Parang ano nun. Thank you for that contribution, Mother You.
By the way, hindi to madali sa akin kasi very general ang reading. Like for example, business. So hindi ko kasi alam kung magnegosyo ka na or magninegosyo ka pa lang. Tapos pag sinabing love life, hindi ko alam kung are you into moving forward or meron kang love life ongoing. My God.
Kaya
No,
nga eh. It's all right. It's all right.
medyo specific ang concern para at least mabulsay natin, no?
Yes.
So,
Zai is saying naman they can always get a full-on one-on-one readings with you. So for those who want a detailed reading, you can book a session with our love coach, Mother Unicorn lang nakalagay dyan, but actually in real life, ano po, disenteng tao po siya. Ano lang talaga siya, nagbabaklaan-baklaan lang kami dito ngayong gabi. Kasi unicorn ang ating but he's really a decent person. I mean, doing a wonderful,
yeah,
awesome
yeah,
corporate job.
yeah.
But yeah, marami tayong piled up ngayon na readings. Nakalista sa aking book of
Yeah.
shit.
Actually,
So,
we're so happy to serve you. We're so happy to empower you. We're so happy to serve and to guide you. Yan yung isa sa mga objective why we're having a unicorn show tonight. And Tina, and to the rest of the panel, thank you so much for having me here. Wala naman tayong ibang objective or purpose but to help other
yes.
people. Thank you so much. And yeah, baka naman yung mga ibang sa panel, baka may gustong sabihin, no? Hindi lang naman ako.
May
Nahiya
question
naman
na.
ako.
We honor you, Mother You. That's why we love you when you're here and, sharing your service. Thank you very much.
Yes, yeah. Oo. Tapos, guys, the reason why we're doing this because we wanted for us to be happy. We wanted for us to be more animated. We wanted to be more colorful because unicorn is a very colorful character. No? So, yeah.
Magical even. So there's a question here before we proceed with the readings. We have 3 more from the live Facebook. May tatlo pang pending. And then there's an anonymous question, okay? So how can we support a family member who has intense episodes of anger and depression? How can we support a family member who has intense episodes of anger and depression? Candidate
Okay.
number 1, please answer the question.
Anyone in the panel or any have an idea? Sige. All right. Kung nadidepress siya ngayon for this pandemic, no? Kasi we need to know ano ba yung kinadidepress ng taong to. Ito ba ay nadidepress siya dahil sa love life? Nadidepress siya dahil sa negosyo na lugi? Nadidepress? Ano yung triggering factor ng depression? Kailangan we have to be specific on that. Para natin matulungan yung tanong na yon. Kasi napaka-general ng question, hindi natin alam. We have to be specific. Now, however, no, kung nadidepress siya, no, sa panahon ngayon dahil pandemic, nawalan siya ng trabaho. Now, we need to understand that there is a stages. There is a stages how to cope what's happening right now. No? Kasi ang depression niya baka part yan ng stages na pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, no? Honestly, maraming depressed ngayon sa panahon na to dahil ang nangyaring COVID na to at pandemic, hindi tayo ready. Biglaan ito, no? Like for example, pagising mo ng umaga, naka-lockdown na, 'di ba? Pagising mo ng umaga, hala, naka-quarantine na, 'di ba? So, marami tayong dinadaanan na stages. Kaya nga rin tayo nandito as a coach dahil tinutulungan natin ang mga tao to move on to the acceptance of changes. No? Kasi hindi lang kasi marami tayong changes sa buhay. May minor, may major. No? So, that's why we're here as a coach, no? As a counselor, to give you an insight how to embrace and how to accept things na may mga pagbabago sa buhay natin. Now, sa isang pamilya, pag depressed ang ating miyembro ng pamilya, no, at kailangan ng professional advice, then we're here. We're here to help. We're here to assist. We're here to guide, no? no? So, yeah, yun siguro ang pinaka maganda. And of course, the very basic thing that we can help is to pray and to trust God that everything is all well. Okay? Yeah.
Thanks, Mother.
Mhm.
On my end, I'd like to share because I've been in that state before as well, and I think what from the perspective siguro of someone who was depressed, and then siguro expectations on how the family can support. On my
Mhm.
end, this is just my personal experience. Is compassionate language talaga. It
Mm-mm.
really helps kasi like for example, if in the household yung the way we speak parang ano na parang hindi pa rin siya compassionate or loving ganyan, it
Mm-mm.
also affects the psyche kasi of someone undergoing depression.
Mm-mm.
And then
Mm-mm.
loving, but if hindi siya like common sa family siguro traditionally ganun na talaga magsalita in as much as possible siguro like when talking to the person who is depressed, kailangan you brace yourself that you have the patience as well.
Mm-mm.
And most of the times depressed people, they just want people to listen to them. Parang napapagod na sila to receive a lot of advice coming
Mm-mm.
in. They just want to express and for people to allow them to express what they feel.
Mm-mm.
Kasi at times pag ini-interrupt sila when they're sharing,
Mm-mm.
they feel like you don't understand me agad kasi syempre ang mindset 'di ba iba na than the
Mm-mm.
usual. So when they're interrupted, they think that you don't understand them anymore, and
Mm-mm.
then you're not supporting them.
Mm-mm.
So listen, and then compassionate language. And as a family member, if you think there are things na that person enjoys before, be it art or sports,
Mm-mm.
lalo na sports kasi physical movement really helps. So try to
Mm-mm.
invite that person again to do
Mm-mm.
it, like say
Mm-mm.
swimming or sports. Like me, I've recovered before working abroad because I always play ultimate frisbee, and it's
Mm-mm.
fun, and
Mm-mm.
it's running, it's highly
Mm-mm.
cardio. So
Mm-mm.
it really regulated my depressing thoughts. So
Mm-mm.
that's just from a perspective who has
Mm-mm.
been there.
Mm-mm.
Yun
Mm-mm.
lang, so
Jen, I would like to add that, no? Ito yung misinterpretation ng word depression. Okay. Now, I'll tell the viewers, no, or kung sino man yung nanonood ngayon sa live stream natin, um, may mga araw kasi na we feel so malungkot. May mga araw kasi na we feel so down, no? 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, okay lang yan. Hindi ka pa depressed. So stop calling yourself that you are depressed. Kasi ang vibration ng word depression is a very deeper meaning. So kung inaamin mo at kiniklaim mo sarili mo na malungkot ako, depressed ako, depressed ako, depressed ako, then therefore the mindset started to program, your brain that you are depressed. Ang sign kasi ng depression is pag 1 week at medyo hindi ka na nililigo, ayaw mo na kumain, ayaw mo na lumabas ng room, then these are the sign that you are depressed. No? Pero kung malungkot ka lang sa araw na to, may nag-trigger sa'yo, tapos medyo nalungkot ka lang, hindi pa yan depression. Nalungkot ka lang. You just feel down. Masyado na kasing bugbog yung word na depression. When you feel down, then you call yourself depressed. And then, ang pinakamaganda pa dito, pinalalathala mo sa buong mundo at sa mga kaibigan mo at even Facebook that you are depressed. So
may comment dito, mama, oh. What if ayaw lang daw talagang maligo?
Oo, tignan mo naman yan kung ayaw mo lang talaga maligo, 1 araw, 2 araw hindi naligo. Pero kung 1 week na siyang hindi naliligo or 2 weeks na siyang hindi naliligo, depressed na talaga siya. I believe then you need to see a professional or a counselor or a psychologist, no, para matulungan tayo, or a coach para matulungan tayo. Huwag tayong mahiya, no? Honestly, the reason why kung bakit tinawag ko yung sarili ko ng love coach, kasi may stigma kasi sa Pilipinas na pag pumunta ka sa isang clinic ng psychiatrist or pumunta ka sa isang psychologist, may sira na tayo na ulo, no?
Yes,
So,
agree. Yep.
So, in the United States, if you feel down and if you feel, for 1 week na medyo hindi ka pa nakakapag-recover, then you go to the psychiatrist and for the coach. That's why we're here. I call myself a love coach dahil, yes, merong doktor na pwedeng mag-answer sa mga sakit mo sa katawan, pero wala kasing nag-a-address doon sa emotional recovery or emotional healing na tinatawag. No, the reason why it's a love coach, no, dahil iyan yung tinitignan natin. How are you to recover yourself emotionally? How can you how to move on, how to move forward from traumatic emotional burden natin. Yeah, oo, wag tayo mahiya.
Thank you for the distinction, Mother Yu. And kung one day lang or 2 araw tulad ni Fanny na hindi naliligo, pwede, who does this belong to na lang po.
So kung ano pala, kasi normal lang yung 1 to 2 days hindi naliligo. So saan mundo ka, diba?
Oo naman. Kung hindi siya naliligo at medyo lumalabas pa siya ng kwarto niya, okay pa yan. Pero pag kinulong niya na yung sarili niya for 1 week or 2 weeks, pag hindi siya naliligo for 1 week or 2 weeks, ayaw niya makiusap sa ibang tao for 1 week or 2 weeks, then, she needs help or assistance.
So, how about Mother Yu, yung yung hair lang hindi binabasa kasi
Wala, it's dead.
Hoy!
Oy.
So, hair tips naman daw.
Pero actually, I just want to add on to that also, how to find out whether your mind is, or your disturbed sa mind is, actually, if you cannot complete reverse counting in 29 to 0, then you need help. And if you cannot complete the reverse counting 9 to 0, reverse counting with breathing, meaning you one breath is one count, tapos mo siya, so 29 to 0 you are in the depressive area ka na niyan, and then 9 to 0 you cannot complete it, you need help, you need support, you need professional help for that. And also another suggestion from all of us here who are all Access Bars practitioners and also betters, we recommend a bar session for you. Run your bars session or a bet session. That would be a wonderful magical tool for you. Or also, eventually go into Sunya and yan. So what else is possible? And Darlene wants to add something.
Go ahead.
I think na-answer na ni Kuya Ato. Yung about sa depression. So,
what about?
For me, what helped is getting out of the routine. Like yung cycle of, like yung usual routine is maligo, kain, ganito. So when I feel down, not really depressed, I try to do something that is beyond my routine. And it helps me with whatever's going on in my mind process or the feeling of being stuck, because it's normal to feel stuck because you have your expectation and reality is not matching. So that's why there's this energy of being stuck, and doing something out of the ordinary can do wonders. So if you're not journaling, you can try journaling, or if you're not singing, then you can sing. So something that's not usually you. That's what helps me.
Yeah. Yes. Like last Sunday, I go for swimming. Di ba?
Wow.
Yeah, you try other ways naman. You try lang. If it works, it's good. If not, then wag nating gawin ulit. Yun lang yun.
Yes. Also watch the replay of Bubbles, Fox Tribe, Zoom call, right? So we will just plug it
Yes.
later. Charot, siningit.
Oo nga, yung meron kaming previous call with Bubbles about how she overcame depression. You know, how she moved forward, diba? What else is possible? So we're gonna, just if you need the link, just tell us, or you can check our YouTube account, the sa Fox Tribe. Yun. So let's move forward because the time is, is the time. The time is now. So we just want to serve 3 more people from the live stream, and then of course all the panelists here who have been a wonderful contribution tonight also. So one reading for Joe Catarmos Interpido. Business naman for her.
Okay.
Miss Jo ito siya, Miss Jo.
May business na ba siya?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, here's your card. Illuminated card. All right. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Sige. Here's your card about business. Ang sabi dito ng card, follow your inner guide. Huwag tayong makinig sa mga opinyon ng ibang tao regarding sa negosyo mo. Ikaw lang ang nakakaalam kung paano mo ipapaunlad din ang iyong negosyo. Look, this is a card of abundance. Tignan mo, yung tubig umaapaw sa glass. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, no, ang negosyo mo, wag mong ihabilin sa ibang tao. Ikaw dapat ang humawak or hands-on sa business mo. Okay? Tingnan mo, this is the assurance of card. This is a card of abundance. And this is your inner guide card. No? So, ibig sabihin yan, no, follow your inner guide. Do not listen to the suggestion of other people. And take note, kung may naramdaman ako ngayon, may nag-o-offer sa'yo ngayon na mag-partner sa'yo, I suggest wag muna. No? Hindi maganda ang partnership sa'yo, ang negosyo para sa'yo. Ikaw ang magpapaunlad sa sariling mong negosyo. God bless.
Thank you for business. For that wonderful, yes, God bless your business. What else is possible? How does it get any better than this? Another reading for Miss Faye Bartosis.
Okay.
A reading for Miss Faye, yeah.
Is there any concern? Wala naman. Okay.
Walang nakalagay concern. Yeah.
Sige, your soul actually is asking, no? So I'll use, okay. If you're undergoing actually challenges right now, the angel card answers says it's a peaceful resolution. Ibig sabihin, binibigyan ka ng assurance na merong solusyon sa mga challenges mo ngayon. Kaya, wag ka nang mag-worry. Oo. So, binibigyan ka ng assurance ng card na tapos na ang problema mo, tapos na ang mga challenges mo sa buhay, may solusyon na. Matulog ka sa gabing ito dahil how many days ka nang hindi nakakatulog? So matulog ka sa gabi nito, bukas tapos na ang problema mo.
Wow, gusto ko yan. Matulog lang, tapos okay, wala na. Wala na the next day. Love that.
Sleeping is a spiritual practice. Do not forget that, okay? So if you want solution,
true. It's an integration of your being and whatever downloads that you have from the morning. So next we have Jenny Tevar. ano naman sa kanya, business, love, at career. O, diba? Tatlo.
Diyos ko. May business na, may career pa, may love pa.
Oo, sige, kung ano na lang lalabas. Anong lalabas?
Sige, alright.
Avail the promo daw po kasi while supplies.
When supplies last. Nako. Okay,
Yes.
wait lang ha. I'll draw a tarot card for you. Okay. Ay, aba. Oo. This is about relationship. Wala ito sa negosyo mo. Okay. Ang sabi ng card mo, tapos na ang karma mo sa mga relasyon ng difficulty ng buhay mo. So meaning that, kung ikaw ang relationship mo, tatlo kasi to, no? Kung wala ka pang boyfriend, malapit ka na magkakaroon ng boyfriend. Or kung lalaki ka, girlfriend, okay? Lalaki ba yan, babae? Tina. Oo. Anong name niya?
Jenny Tevar.
So girl. So meaning, malapit ka na magkaroon ng boyfriend. Kasi tignan mo yung card mo. The world. Ibig sabihin yan, pinagtagumpayan mo na ang lahat ng difficulty in terms of relationship. So kung meron ka man ngayon relationship na nahihirapan ka, then therefore you have to have a forgiveness. So yun lang ang susi ng harmonious relationship. At tingnan mo, yan, number 10 ng Pentacles. Ibig sabihin yan, it's a card of celebration. So yan. So ito pinakamaganda sa gitna kasi tapos na ang karma mo. Tapos na ang hardship mo. Either career, negosyo, relationship, tapos na inday. Pwede ka na mag-move on. Within 3 months, maganda ang takbo ng iyong pamumuhay.
O, diba? Bongga. Nasa Rainbow Society daw po si Miss Jenny.
Oh, wow!
O, diba?
Nanood pala siya ng Rainbow Society.
What else is possible? How does it get any better than this? And of course, hindi magpapahuli ang mga nasa panel. Uunahin natin kay Wild Amazon, aka Fanny.
Okay.
Si Fanny daw next.
Fanny, ano ang question? Magpa-read ka ba or do you have any question? Wild Amazon, come in.
Amazon, may question ka. Pa-read lang daw.
Pa-read. Okay. Anong concern natin since na andyan ka para tugma?
Ano daw concern?
Business?
Business?
Business. O career. Okay. Sige.
Business daw ng lalaki po. Charot lang.
Diyos ko, dahil agawan mo pa ako ng negosyo. Wait lang. Buti na lang nasa Davao ka.
Okay lang sa territory, hindi naman kayo magkano eh.
Okay. For the next 3 months, Wild Amazon, okay, I want you to be aware of your emotional trigger regarding with your business or your career. Kasi ito yung how would I say this? Ito yung tawag ito, out of focus sa iyong career at sa iyong negosyo. It is your emotional concern. Number 1, huwag tayong padalos-dalos sa mga desisyon. Number 2, huwag tayong magpadala or mag-trigger emotionally sa mga kliyente natin. Okay? Number 3, ground yourself. Ground yourself. Kasi feeling ko, buti na lang nagpa-read ka ngayon, Wild Amazon. Kasi marami kang dapat gawin. Ayan, you will be a busy girl for next 3 months, no? So yun. So pag nag-busy ka, definitely hindi ka makatulog ng maayos, no? So ground yourself. Maybe if you're practicing meditation, then go for the meditation. Take it easy. Yan ang sabi ng card.
Wow, awesome reading for our Wild Amazon. Grabe, lingaw gid na si Wild Amazon, oy. So thank you daw po.
Kabalo ka niyan.
O, diba? Next, we have Silver Moon Makeup.
Silver Moon! Silver Moon! Ang dami mong tanong. Sige, Angel, answer card ka. Dalawang card ang bubunutin ko sa'yo. Kasi ang dami mong tanong.
Partida ni siya kay Mike karon. So our Zai Silver Moon na naman.
Okay. Zai, wag ka nang mag-worry sa iyong health problem. Okay? Because your health is improving. Ibig sabihin yan, gagaling ka na. Okay? And number 2, kailangan mong yatang humingi ng tulong. No, wag kayo mahiyang humingi ng tulong sa ibang tao. You know, kasi you need the help of people for you to be able to overcome all your challenges in life.
What contribution can we be, Shanier? What else is possible? How does it get any better than this?
Yeah.
Napaisip daw siya niya.
Yung alin?
Napaisip siya kung ano ang sakit niya. Maybe
Okay.
health. Marami namang health. Naliligo naman daw siya.
Naliligo daw siya. All right.
Diba? It's 11:11. Make a wish. Everybody who's on the call right now, you can take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale and make a wish together.
Oo. Wala na ako bang wish? Kung ako si Mama Yu, kailangan ko ng Papa Yu.
Kala ko okay na wala eh.
Go!
Papa Yu, nasan ka na?
Possible. Tapusin natin ang 11:11 at mag-wish na kayo dyan kung anong wish niyo. It's gonna be magical because we're 9 here and there's 12 listening. So ayun, what else is possible? Take a deep breath and exhale. Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
Si Lord's Avi. Hindi man lang nagsalita.
Yes.
Si Lord's Avi.
Sige, Lord Avi will be the next read.
Okay.
Next person to be read.
Lord Avi, ano ang concern natin? Magsalita ka.
Parang hindi siya makaspeak kasi someone is yeah.
Yun na yun.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Lord Avi, take a deep breath. Ayan. Okay. Lord Avi, meron ka bang racket within the week? Oo. Kung nagdadalawang isip ka sa racket mo within the week, the answer is yes. Oo. Rakitin mo na ng bonggang-bongga. Okay. The answer is yes. It will give you more opportunity that comes in your life. What else is possible? Yan.
Ayun. So awesome. Thank you for that reading. Next we have Miss Jenny Rarity.
Madam Jenny, sige, sabihin mo sa akin anong gusto mong i-read ko sa'yo.
Lahat, charot. General na lang, Mama, para tuhog na lahat.
Sige. Si General ba to? Okay. Jen, anong pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon?
9 to 5 job, tapos, advocacy group, EA.
Jen, kasi ang sabi dito, kailangan mo mag-trim down kasi may mga ginagawa ka that it compromise your, number 1, you're tired. Number 2, it compromise your hindi na healthy para sa'yo. Kailangan ka mag-trim down ng activities mo.
9 to 5 job, charot.
Ayan, yeah. Pero kasi kung pipiliin mo ang iyong mga priority, like for example, no, out of 5, just 2, then it will sustain you more. Then you have lots of time with your friends, with your then you have time for yourself and mas madali sigurong ma-attract mo yung love life.
May ganun talaga si mama.
Oo. Kasi may mga activity ka na hindi naman essential para sa'yo. Piliin mo lang siya. Mag-trim down ka daw kasi mababurn out ka.
Yes. Dapat i-prioritize ang activity ng maraming boys. Charot!
Yes! Agree! Alright. Wow. Amazing
awesome.
night.
Awesome read. Awesome
Oo.
reads. And ang tawag din, bakit sila may gano'n? Ako walang love life.
Oh.
Wala pa nga na-read, Shifu. Grabe na. Ay, Tina Light Spark.
Pinaunahan ko na kasi last time wala din eh. Charot
Teka, wait lang. Ikaw na. Alam ko, ikaw na. Oo. Sa angel answer card, 3 ang bubunutin ko sa'yo para diretsa.
Ay, baka sure talaga na meron. Okay.
Oo. For Tina. Tina?
Yes?
Kung anong ginagawa mo, don't stop. Oo. Okay?
Don't stop.
Huwag kang mag-alala
Hold
na
on
kasi
to
hindi
that
lang talaga right
feeling.
time. Okay? Hindi pa talaga right time.
Hindi pa siya bumaba sa spaceship?
Oo. Pero kasi ang tinatanong, ang love life kasi depende sa'yo. It's up to you.
Oh.
For feeling ko, meron na. Pero
meron
kasi masyadong mapili. Huwag nang piliin kasi.
Wag choosy.
Oo.
Wag choosy. Wag choosy.
Stop. Ang answer nito, yung mga ginagawa mong pagtulong sa ibang tao, wag daw doon. Don't stop. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, kaya hindi pala siya right time kasi depende pala yan kung sino talaga yung gusto mong mangyari, kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari mo.
Hindi pa ako sure kasi charot lang, ginasabok lang din ako ang mga tao. Kanang pang lang na siya. Kasi torn between being a human.
Meron akong kutob. Hindi siya Pinoy.
Okay lang yun.
Chinese siya, Chinese.
Chinese character.
Hindi siya Pinoy.
Okay,
pero
sige.
Chinese siya na hindi siya taga-China. Ano ba yun?
Sige lang, okay lang.
Taga-Malaysia.
Taga-China.
Okay lang.
Malaysia, Singapore.
Di ba pwede?
Di ba siguro siya nagatanaw na?
Pwede rin Malaysian, Chinese, di ba?
Di ba, no? What else is possible? Sige, ba't ako Malaysia?
Diba? Or pwede rin naman siya, teka, wait lang. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-sign off na walang reading kay Mother Neng.
Ay, tama. Yun talaga sabi ko. Actually, yun ang sasabihin ko.
Ay, tama.
Darlene, let her listen. Darlene, go to mama.
She's sleeping.
Okay,
sige lang. Ipakita niyo lang to.
Show her the recording.
Okay.
Thank you so much for that reading. Happy na ko. Charot.
Thank you po.
Diba? You're welcome. Meron si Mother na meron siyang activity. The answer is no. No meaning that it's not favorable o hindi pa hinog yung activity na yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong activity na yan, ha? Yan. Dahil there is better will come opportunity. Okay? Because the situation will improve. No? So, kung ano man yung activity niya, no, wag muna. Kasi meron pang darating na mas bonggang-bongga.
Wow.
Ayan. For Mother Ning and my mother.
Wow. So, kung meron tayong mother unicorn, meron tayong mother.
Mother. Siya talagang mother
The great mother. The great mother unicorn. Yun na yun siya.
Alright.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Awesome read.
Wow.
We have extended our call for everybody got read, diba? All is well. So, thank you so much for today, Mother Yu. Mother You. I'm still getting used to that. So, and for all our panelists here who are on board the call, our Midnight Unicorn Clubbers. So, nagka-club. Kunwari tayo nagka-club ngayon, wala lang tayong mga drinks because bawal pa, di ba? Bawal pang uminom ng mga liquor. And thank you for being here. We'd like to also announce our incoming mga calls. Tuesday, we have a Course in Miracles sessions with Mother You. Of course, serious part na yon. Wala na siyang turban. So you will see him very formal. So iba na yung kanyang costume. Okay? So normal. Looking normal. So ito po yung gabi kasi this is where we let ourselves free and, allow ourselves to be fun lang. Okay? And so Tuesday, 6 p.m., right? Mother You? 6 p.m. A Course in Miracle.
7 p.m.
Tuesday, 7 p.m. A Course in Miracle. Or you can go to the Tribe of Love na group so that you can message Love Coach Ato de la Cruz. Or you can add Love Coach Ato de la Cruz if you want to know more about your reading or if you want to book a session with him. Because, diba, what else is possible? And in the future, maybe he will have some workshops and calls. So do tune in to Mystic Angels and Fox Tribe and the Sisterhood of the Rose. And of course, this coming Wednesday, it's the Feast of Saint Mary Magdalene. In our practice naman, wala tayong in name and form, but we will just honor in a simple way, but not to honor the person per se, but rather the teachings of the Divine Feminine and how we can use the Divine Feminine energies and how it is very important in the coming days. No? So that will be Sisterhood of the Rose, 2 p.m. every Wednesdays. Just private message Mystic Angels or Sisterhood of the Rose for the Zoom link. And then another one, after the Zoom call ng Sisterhood of the Rose, we have Get Happy Unicorn. So this is where we get to talk about life, love. So we will give you lots of tools for clearing and how you can support yourself in the coming days. So in the coming days talaga, no? Kasi hindi natin alam anong mangyayari next. So in the coming days, yan lang po aking masasabi. And Thursdays, we have Tea Time Thursdays, 3 p.m. naman. This is a call with Mother P, our angelologist, Miss Evelyn Buendia or Princess Buendia. She's the owner of Angel Vibes na Facebook page, and she's an awesome angelologist, and the topic is all about being a love magnet, diba? How to be a magnet of love. So, diba, marami tayong calls about money and about mental health in the past. This time we're gonna be on love magnet, and then that's gonna be this Thursday. And we are still receiving your prayers, intentions, and wishes. Kindly message us if you want your prayers, intentions, and wishes to be placed on our altars for the next days. That will be starting tonight. Meron na kami, our altar is set. And then this Wednesday, we will burn all your wishes and intentions and send it off, diba? So what else is possible and how does it get any better than this? And then Saturday, we have Emotions Anonymous with Miss Jenny Rarity and the rest of the team of EA. And if you have mga emotional concerns, you can join in the group. Don't worry. Everything there will be anonymous, meaning nobody will talk about it after the session is over. So once the session is over, so you get a place wherein you can share and you have a group of people wherein they could listen to you. And so that's Emotions Anonymous every 5 p.m. So kindly follow their Facebook page, Emotions Anonymous. Tama ba? Philip Davao? Right?
Yes po, Davao, Philippines.
Emotions Anonymous Philippines. That's it. What else is possible? So it's also a Zoom call. All of the calls that we've mentioned are free, okay? So wala talagang reason for you not to grow and whatever, because all our calls are free. And then every Sundays, we have 2:30 p.m. with Datuk Dr. Lim Shojin. He's our Zen master. Teaching us about Sunya. So we have Sunday lessons with him. And it's really wonderful to learn about this ancient practice. He's the 60th generation of Buddha. So that makes you 61st if you study directly with him, diba? So what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? And of course, 8 p.m., angel vibes naman for free angel readings with our Mother P, the angelologist. So we have a lot in store for you every week. And so what else is possible? We're here for you. What can we contribute to you? The Fox Tribe and the Midnight Unicorn Clubbers would like to sign off and we'll say
By
bye-bye.
the way, Tin,
Yes po, sige po.
next week, Monday, we will talk about paano tayo mag-move on sa ating mga heartbreak. Yun.
Wow.
So I'll teach you the tools. I'll teach you the tools.
Paano mag-move on? Sige, gawa natin yan.
Yes. I'll teach you how to move
Sige.
on. I'll teach you how to cut the cord, no? I'll explain that, no? Kasi
okay, awesome.
may mga cord tayo. I'll explain everything and then I'll teach you the tools. All right? So, yun.
Yes. Sige. So, thank you for that contribution, Mother Yu. So, ang next Midnight Unicorn Club natin will be about how to move on. So, kindly tune in next Monday. See you!
Ay, tapos, someone
Bye.
wants to know how much daw ang charge ni Kuya Ato for full session.
Donation lang. It's out of your abundance.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, that's awesome. Thank you. Good to know, Mother Yu. So, bye-bye, everybody. See ya.
Bye. Thank you.